It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2019 Mercedes-Benz 12-passenger Sprinter van. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of this high-top 12-passenger van. Our driver's door has power folding side mirrors, power windows, power door locks, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel are some lighting controls and dials, including automatic headlamps, leather front seats. Next I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel, the left side having our cruise control buttons, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. This is our driver information center. Overhead are some lighting controls. Up next is our infotainment screen. This touch screen is equipped with our Bluetooth options. It's also equipped with navigation. This screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just down below, and below that we have our climate control buttons with air conditioning. Under the hood of the van is a 3-liter V6 engine. Those side mirrors have side blind zone alert, as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, rear tinted windows, and a sliding rear door. Making our way toward the back, we're able to open up these rear doors by pulling that release on the door handle. In the back here we have our second set of tires and plenty of storage space. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 12-passenger van. First off, you'll notice we've got a step down here for easy access into the back, a sliding rear door. Those windows are tinted. This first row here has seating for 3, again seating for 3, and that back row has 4 seats. USB-C plug-ins can be found in each row. Armrests on the end. The backs of both front seats have got mesh seat pockets. And overhead we have the rear fans and interior lights. So come take a look at this really unique 2019 Mercedes-Benz 12-passenger Sprinter van, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.